Hi there. Hi there. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a similar audience, or you can say lookalike audience in Google Ads. So we are going to use upload. We are going to use our customer list and upload it on Google, and based on that, Google will create a similar audience. So before you proceed, you must have at least 1,000 contacts in your list, so that the lookalike audience or a similar audience will work. Otherwise, if you have less than that, then it might not work. So Google recommends that ideally you must have at least 1,000 contacts. So we are going to, there are other ways to create a lookalike audience based on your website visitors, Google Analytics, but this time we are going to use our customer list to create a lookalike audience or a similar audience. So you have to go to an audience manager. So first go to in tools and then click on audience manager, and over here you can click on this blue color icon, plus icon, and click on this and search for a customer list. Over here you have multiple options to connect the data source. So we are going to upload a file manually, so click on that, give it a name. So I have entered the name, and you don't have to choose customer type because it will affect your custom conversions if you have set up it. So I'm going to leave it as empty. Choose the data type. We are going to use email address, phone number, and mailing address. Here you have to upload the file, and there is a specific template you need to follow in order to upload the file, and the formatting guidelines you have to see. So let's see that. Over here, you can see the formatting guidelines. So you must have email address as email, column header name, and then phone number, and mailing address. Apart from that, you need to have your country code in the phone number if you are using phone number. So +91 and then whatever your country number is. I mean whatever your phone number is, you will have to use that. Let me show you the Google Sheet. So as you can see here, you can see the all the guidelines. So mainly you need to have the email field and then first name. And if you have address, then you can have all these fields. And if you want to have phone number, then you must have the country code as well. So for example, this is the regular phone number, and with country code, it will look like this. So your country code plus your phone number. Uh, okay. So you can easily do that. For example, this is my phone number, right? I mean, this one, let's say, and click on format and go to numbers and click on, as you can see, I have my country code +91, and then I have my phone number. And as you can see, in this format, you need to keep your phone number so that Google will accept it. Otherwise, it will give you an error. So once you are done with the data, just click on upload. So I have uploaded the sheet CSV file, and click on check this box, and 540 days. Let's click on save and continue. So it is giving me some error. So email and phone number. I think it wants me to remove the name thing. So let me just click on fix. And now it is uploading. And as you can see, it is uploaded, and it is saying that it can take up to 24 hours, and this many rows I had in my Google Sheet. And it says that segmentation needs 1,000 match customers to serve. And let's click on done. So what it does, that it speeds up your account learning process if you have enough data. So it is extremely useful when you have more data, when you are running paid ads. uh, you can find a very similar audience which you have already gathered, right? Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments below. I will try to help you. I will see you in the next tutorial.